Thanksgiving catering part 3. I want you to make actual predictions about your basic meal, not just wild predictions. We're going to use real prices. First, though, I've saved you some formatting. You've already got your Thanksgiving cost spreadsheet, and you've got a basic meal worksheet. Now go to your basic meal template, which is in My Big Campus, and copy A1 through F9. Select it, copy, and then go to Thanksgiving cost, select A1, and paste it. Save. Now, you need to do a little bit of formatting. I'll explain that. First, though, I want to do that before we go ahead and talk about the prices. All prices are going to be in dollars and cents. So I'm selecting column D. I'm going to Format Cells. That's where the work is done. And we're going to format the type of number. These are not a general number. They're a very specific number. They're currency. The symbol should be dollars. It should have 2 decimal places. And we'll leave it as a negative sign if there's a loss, which won't account here. Now, do not use accounting. It looks the same, but it does not work the same. We want to use currency, another word for money. Same thing here for column B. All of our costs will be in dollars. So it's select the column, format cells, currency, 2 decimal places, and let's use the dollar sign. Now what's neat about this is when we put something in here, we don't type the dollar sign. The computer can't add dollar signs. They're not numbers. So it'll put something in there, but it knows to ignore it. So let's say the price for the turkey is $1.99 a pound. As soon as I hit enter, it puts in the dollar sign and it treats it like money. Now I'm making a requirement that you have to have at least 18 pounds of turkey for 8 people. So what's that going to cost you over here? How can we tell the computer how to do that? 18 pounds of turkey at $1.99 for every pound. That's a multiplication problem. So for telling the computer to figure out this multiplication problem, the first thing that needs to go in that cell is, yes, an equal sign. And it equals this cell times, and then in Excel the times is the asterisk symbol. You get Shift 8, or it's off on the right side of your keyboard, times 18 pounds. Don't bother putting the pounds in there, it's just the 18 that matters. And when I hit enter, I get the total cost. Now, I noticed on there's another turkey, a really good turkey, but it's $3.99 a pound. If I put that price in instead, my total costs go up quite a bit. So that free-range, healthy, organic turkey does cost more. There's also one I think was for 79 cents a pound. If I put that in, that's a lot less. I'm a little suspicious that might not be a very good turkey. Maybe the right thing to do here is split the middle, $1.99 a pound, and see what we get. It's about $35. Most of you estimated something a little less than that, but that's pretty close. Okay, for the stuffing, we need 48 ounces of stuffing. You can either find the price per pound and put it in here, or you can buy a number of boxes that equals at least this. And then you put your formula over here. In fact, it would be the same. It equals this times this. Or if you get a certain number of boxes, so if you could put in the cost of 3 boxes. You have to figure this out. The one exception down here is the pie. You don't buy pie per pound. You buy 1 pie. It needs to be a 10-inch or a 12-inch pie. So you would just put that price in here. You don't need to multiply anything. Bread, you might buy some number of loaves of bread, or you might buy it per pound. I'm going to leave this to you to figure out. Potatoes, you might know the price per pound, or you buy 1 10-pound bag, put that price in here, and you've got 6 pounds left over. I know this sounds like a lot to do, but anybody who's fed you Thanksgiving dinner has done this before. Maybe they don't put it in a spreadsheet, but this is real world stuff, and I want you to struggle with this. Once you get a realistic price of what you need for a dinner for 8 people, I want you to total it, and then I want you to average it. That's the price per person. That's what average means. How much would it cost for each person for Thanksgiving dinner? Do your best with this. Don't expect perfection, but I do want to get it done today.